Chapter 4 Using Formulas and Functions in Excel 2016 Learning Objectives. Understand data types in Excel. Learn to enter formulas. Use basic arithmetic operations. Apply cell referencing in formulas. Utilize functions in Excel. Explore AutoSum and other functions. A formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell, while a function is a predefined formula that simplifies complex calculations. In this chapter, we will explore how to use formulas and functions in Excel 2016 to perform various calculations. Types of data in Excel. In Excel, you can enter three main types of data into a worksheet. 1. Values or numbers. These include numbers that can be used for calculations. For example, the numbers 1, 100 or 3.14 are considered values. Special characters like percentage, plus or minus can also be part of values. 2. Formulas. A formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell. Formulas in Excel always begin with an equal sign. For example, typing is equal to 5 plus 3 in a cell will display the result 8. Entering formulas in Excel. There are two common ways to input formulas in Excel. 1. Direct input. Click on a cell. Type equal sign and then enter your formula. Press the Enter key to display the result. 2. Using the formula bar. Select the cell where you want the result, then type your formula in the formula bar above the worksheet. Press the Enter key to calculate. Basic arithmetic operations in Excel. Excel supports basic arithmetic operations which include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operations are performed using formulas that start with an equal sign, equal sign. To use formulas, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the cell where you want the result. Step 2. Start with an equal sign followed by the arithmetic operation, for example, equal sign E1 plus B1. Step 3. Press the Enter key. The result will appear in the cell. Addition syntax equal sign E1 plus B1. To add the values in cells E1 and B1, enter equal sign E1 plus B1 in another cell and the result will display the sum. Subtraction syntax equal sign E1 minus B1. Example. To subtract the value in B1 from E1, enter equal sign E1 minus B1 in another cell. Multiplication syntax equal sign E1 asterisk B1. Example. To multiply the values in cells E1 and B1, use the formula equal sign E1 asterisk B1. Division syntax equal sign E1 divide by B1. Example. To divide the value in A1 by the value in B1, use the formula equal sign E1 divide by B1. Order of operations BODMAS rule. Excel follows the BODMAS rule to determine the order in which operations are performed in a formula. BODMAS stands for brackets, order, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Understanding cell ranges. Cell range refers to a group of adjacent cells. When selecting a range, a rectangle highlights the selected cells. Ranges are useful for applying formulas to multiple cells. The notation for a range includes the starting cell and ending cell separated by a colon. For example, the range A1 to E5 is written as A1 E5. Selecting a cell range. To select a range of cells, you can 1. Using the mouse, click on the first cell you want to select. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the cursor to the last cell in the desired range. 2. Using the keyboard, click on the first cell. Hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to extend the selection. Shortcut keys. To select the entire worksheet, press Ctrl+A. Naming a range. Naming a range in Excel makes it easier to refer to in formulas. Here's how to name a range. Step 1. Select the cells you want to name. Step 2. Go to the Formulas tab and click on the Define Name button. The New Name dialog box appears. Step 3. In the dialog box, type a name for the range and click on the OK button. The assigned name appears in the name box. Tidbit: named ranges make your formulas clearer by replacing confusing cell references with easy-to-understand names. Cell referencing in formulas. When creating formulas in Excel, you need to reference other cells. A cell reference identifies a specific cell or range of cells within a worksheet. Cell references are crucial because they allow your formulas to dynamically update when the data changes. There are 3 types of cell references. Relative references. Relative references change when a formula is copied to another location. The cell references adjust based on the relative position of the formula and the cell containing the data. Relative references are useful when you want to perform the same calculation across multiple rows or columns. For instance, if you are calculating the total sales for each day using a formula that adds the values in adjacent cells, relative references will adjust for each row. Example: suppose you have a formula =A1 plus B1 in cell C1. If you copy this formula to cell C2, it automatically adjusts to =A2 plus B2. Here, both the row and column references change based on their relative position. Absolute references. Absolute references do not change when a formula is copied to another cell. They are indicated by a $sign before the column letter and row number. This type of reference locks the cell address, ensuring it remains constant regardless of where the formula is moved. Absolute references are essential when you need to refer to a fixed value in a specific cell. Example: if the formula $A$1 plus B1 is copied from C1 to C2, it remains $A$1 plus B2. Here, the value in cell A1 is always included in the calculation, while the reference to B1 adjusts to B2. Mixed references. Mixed references combine both relative and absolute references, locking either the row or the column but not both. This allows part of the reference to change while the other part remains constant. Mixed references are particularly useful in scenarios where calculations need to involve both fixed and varying data points. There are 2 types of mixed references: absolute column and relative row. For example, $A1, the column A is fixed, but the row number can change. Relative column and absolute row. For example, $1, the row 1 is fixed, but the column letter can change. Example, if the formula $A$1 plus $B2 is copied from C1 to D2, it adjusts to $B$1 plus $B3. The reference to row 1 in column A stays constant, while the reference to row 2 in column B stays constant. Using functions in Excel. Functions in Excel are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations using the data provided. They simplify complex calculations and save time. Formulas tab contains a wide range of functions. Syntax of a function. The basic syntax of a function in Excel is equal function name range. Equals sign indicates the start of a formula. Function name. The name of the function such as sum, average, etc. Range. The values or cell references that the function uses to perform calculations. Range is enclosed in parentheses. Commonly used functions. Some commonly used functions include mathematical functions. Sum adds all the numbers in a specified range. Syntax sum A1, A5. Example, if A1 through A5 contain the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the formula sum A1, A5 returns 15. 2. Product multiplies all the numbers in a specified range. Syntax sign product A1, A5. Example, if A1 through A5 contain the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the formula sign product A1, A5 returns 120. Mod returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. Syntax sign mod number. Divisor. Example, mod 10. 3 returns 1. 4. SQRT. Calculates the square root of a number. Syntax SQRT. Number. SQRT. 64 returns 8. 5. Round. Rounds. A number to a specified number of digits. Syntax round. Number. Num. _ digits. Statistical functions. 1. Average. Calculates the average of a set of numbers. Syntax average range. Example, average A1. A5 returns the average value of the numbers in the range A1 to A5. 2. Max. Finds the highest value in a range of cells. Syntax in max range. Example, max B1. B6 returns the maximum value in the range B1 to B6. 3. Minimum. Finds the lowest value in a range of cells. Syntax minimum. Range. Example, minimum. C1, C5 returns the minimum value in the range C1 to C5. 4. Count. Counts the number of cells that contain numbers. Syntax count range. Example, count D1, D10 counts the number of numeric entries in the range D1 to D10. Logical functions. 1. If checks a condition and returns one value, if true and another if false. Syntax if logical _ test, value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. Example, equal sign if A1, 10, pass, fail, returns pass. If A1 is greater than 10, otherwise fail. And returns true if all conditions are true. Syntax equal sign and condition 1, condition 2. Example, equal sign and A1 is greater than 5. A2 is less than 10. Returns true if A1 is greater than 5 and A2 is less than 10. 3. Or returns true if any condition is true. Syntax equal sign or condition 1, condition 2. Example, equal sign or A1 is greater than 5. A2 is less than 3. Returns true if either condition is met. Text functions. 1. Concatenate, joins two or more text strings into one string. Syntax equal sign concatenate text 1, text 2. Example, equal sign concatenate hello world returns hello world. 2. Length returns the length of a text string. Syntax equal sign length text. Example, equal sign length hello world returns 5. 3. If upper converts a text string to uppercase. Syntax equal sign upper text. Example, equal sign upper text hello returns hello 4. Lower converts a text string to lowercase. Syntax equal sign lower text. Example, equal sign lower hello returns hello. Date and time functions. 1. Today returns the current date. Syntax equal sign today parenthesis. Example, if today's date is the 1st of August 2024, equal sign today parenthesis returns 1st of August 2024. 2. Now returns the current date and time. Syntax equal sign now. Example, if the current date and time are the 1st of August 2024, 10 a.m. equal sign now parenthesis returns 1st of August 2024, 10 o'clock. Date returns the date for a given year, month, and day. Syntax date, year, month, day. Example, equal sign date 2024 8/1 returns the 1st of August 2024. Fact: Excel provides over 450 different functions, each designed for a specific purpose. AutoSum function. A quick way to use the sum function. It automatically selects a range of cells for summation. Click on a cell where you want the result. Then click the AutoSum button sigma on the Home tab. Excel will suggest a range. Press Enter to confirm. Chapter Essentials. Excel uses labels, values, and formulas for data. Values include numbers for performing calculations. Formulas start with equal sign and calculate cell values. Arithmetic operations in Excel include plus, minus, asterisk, and Bodmer's rule determines the order of operations in formulas. Cell ranges are groups of adjacent cells selected for calculations. Naming ranges simplifies referring to cell groups in formulas. Relative, absolute, and mixed references are types of cell referencing. Functions like sum, average, and max simplify complex calculations.